Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 26th to 30th January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So here I have already opened the chart of Euro USD. Let's straight away talk about the closing on Friday. So as you can see, 0.62% positive move, 1.18269 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important supports on and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. And also I'll be sharing my opinion for this week. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower and upper wick. Here important support zone and resistance zones you can see we have marked during a previous week analysis. Currently if I talk about the stochastic RSI, 4443 is stochastic RSI is around these levels currently, which is indicating us a slight positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently if you see, some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. Some of the above levels we haven't marked, so let me just mark those levels. Currently if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So now I marked some support and resistance zone. Let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.18269 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.8202, direct resistance is 1.18507. After direct support, there is a support of 1.17882 and then 1.17670. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.8755 and then 1.9004. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from that platform. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So currently I'm expecting a negative move in this range, that is 1.178822 to 1.18202. I'm expecting negative closing in this range. If you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.8507 gets breached and a 1 day or 4-hour candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till 1.8755. Overall, my expectations are a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.